Have you ever wondered why we sleep? It seems weird, right? But we spend a third of our lives unconscious, vulnerable, and unable to do anything productive. You'd think evolution would have gotten rid of that, but science says that sleep is essential not just for humans, but for almost every species on Earth. And research shows that without it, our bodies and brains can't actually function properly. Let's break it down. Your body has two main systems that regulate your sleep. Your circadian rhythm, which I mentioned on my videos before, is that internal body clock, and sleep pressure. The circadian rhythm is controlled by a suprachiasmatic nucleus, an SCN, which is a tiny cluster of around 20,000 neurons in the hypothalamus. The SCN is like your body's master clock. It responds to light and darkness, telling your brain when it's time to wake up and when it's time to wind down. Now, when light enters your eyes, special receptors send signals to the SCN, which then regulates melatonin production, which is your sleep hormone. This is why staring at your phone at night can trick your brain into thinking it's daytime. The SCN also influences body temperature, metabolism, and hormone release, making it the control center for sleep-wake cycle. So why did sleep evolve in the first place? One theory is the energy conservation hypothesis that suggests that sleep helped early humans save energy at night when it was harder for them to find food. Another theory is the brain plasticity hypothesis that argues that sleep is critical for memory, learning, and brain development. And here's something wild. Scientists discovered that during sleep, the brain has a self-cleaning system called a glymphatic system. Think of it like your brain's garbage disposal. It flushes out toxins and metabolic waste that build up while you're awake. Now, one of these wastes is beta amyloid, which is a sticky protein linked to Alzheimer's disease. When you don't get enough sleep, the beta amyloid accumulates in your brain, forming plaques that interfere with memory and cognitive function. A 2013 study from University of Rochester found that glymphatic systems is 10 times more active during sleep than it is when you're awake, meaning that sleep might be one of your best defense mechanisms against neurodegenerative diseases. We go through two main types of sleep: the non-REM sleep, which is that deep sleep, and the REM sleep, which is when you wake up. Deep sleep is like a repair shop. It strengthens your immune system, rebuilds muscles, and cleans out toxins from your brain. REM sleep, on the other hand, is crucial for emotional regulation and memory consolidation. A 2019 study from Harvard Medical School found that people who got a full REM sleep performed significantly better on memory tests than those who didn't. So skipping sleep is a bad idea. The Centers for Disease Control, the CDC, has linked chronic sleep deprivation to a higher risk of obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and even an early death. A 2017 study also found that sleeping less than 6 hours a night increases your risk of dying from cardiovascular diseases by 13%. And sleep deprivation doesn't just affect your body. It also reduces your reaction time and decision making, which is why driving while sleep deprived is just as dangerous as driving drunk. Sleep isn't a waste of time. It's one of the most important things you can do for your brain, body, and long-term health. So next time you're tempted to pull an all-nighter, just remember that your brain needs sleep just as much as your body does. And if you like videos like this, follow along for more sleep-related content. Bye.